this video for you guys on how I got over $1,000 in gross sales in a single day flipping products from eBay. So this is a very simple method. I'm going to go step by step through this whole process, and literally after watching this video, you'll know how you can make thousands of dollars every single month. And again, you don't need any special skills to do this. The only thing you need to be able to do is be able to order products from eBay, then take those products and put them in a box and ship them to a customer or ship them into Amazon, and that's it. Right? So here is our payment proof. You guys already know I'm all about that payment proof. So we got $1,395 in gross sales in one day. So like I said, guys, you can do this pretty quickly. If you watch the other Amazon video I made, I think it was like a week ago, I was telling you guys that you can literally take an account from $0 to thousands of dollars in the course of a week. I mean, a course of 2 to 3 weeks. You know, once you got your account up, then you order your products, then you get those products shipped out. That's going to take about 2 weeks or whatnot, or 2 to 3 weeks or whatever. That's like the main thing is just the shipping. Now, if you do merchant fulfilled, you can do this literally as soon as you get the products in from Amazon. But I mean from eBay or wherever you get your products from. But you guys get the point here. This stuff does work. And if you want to know exactly what I'm selling, because I already know there's going to be people like, what are you selling? What are you selling? For obvious reasons, I'm not going to give out exactly what I'm selling for free. If you want to know exactly what I'm selling, you know, how I've been able to make thousands of dollars, you know, selling on Amazon and all that fun stuff, everything I do Amazon-wise is over here in Box Money, and the course is 50% off today, you know, at the making of this video. So if you watch it afterwards, you know, hey, either way, you know, you're still going to make some good money, all right? So you'll know exactly what I'm selling and all that fun stuff. Use the coupon code to get 50% off. It ends the 4th, which is today. So get on it, guys. Now, how does this whole process work here? So all you're going to do is jump over to eBay, right, or Mercari, or OfferUp, or wherever you buy your products from. And then from there, you are going to open up your Amazon seller app if you're selling on Amazon. If you're not selling on Amazon, what you would do is go in, let's say, for example, you are buying from eBay, selling on Mercari. You would go in Mercari, type in whatever it is that you're about to sell, go to the sold section, see what it sold for before and how many times it sold. All right. Now, again, we're just going to be talking about Amazon and eBay for the making of this video. But again, keep in mind, you can do this on any platform. Like, I know that sounds like, oh, that's common sense, but I mean, there are some people who have never done this before, and ever since I've been making these Cash App videos, like, I swear it doesn't matter how many times in the video I say something, there are still going to be people who just don't get it. Like, I'm like, in the middle of the video, beginning of the video, end of the video, you do not need Cash App to do this method. And people will still go to the comment section and say, I don't have Cash App in my area. Like, did you not watch any of the damn video? But anyway, let's get back to the topic at hand here. So you're going to go to eBay, you're going to look up a product, you're going to scan that product, and then Amazon is going to tell you exactly everything you need to know. It's going to tell you how long you need to sell it, your profit, everything, right? So that's it, and then you just get paid. That's literally the whole process. Extremely simple and very easy. So I came over here to eBay. We did a video game wholesale, and we are going to check this out right here. So I was looking at this PlayStation 4 Titan 2 game here. Now, if we take that $76 for 30 copies, and then we're going to divide that by 30. So our cost of the game per game is $2.53. Now, all we need to do is come over here, click this listing, you know. So we're going to open up our Amazon app, click this listing here. Then we're going to take the phone, you know, and we're going to scan this barcode. Now, the product already came up, and we know exactly how much money we're going to make per game. So the product is selling for, well, technically we could sell it for $12. It's selling for $11.24, but we could sell it and match the other FBA sellers for $12.98. So let's put $12.98. Don't be that person that sees everyone selling it, you know, for $12, and then, you know, you see the non-FBA seller selling it for $11, and then you sell it for $2. Don't be that guy. But anyway, all right, our cost is in, you know, so we would get $4.19 back in profit after all costs. So not bad at all, right? So we take that $14 That $4.19 times 30. That's $125 in profit. That's not bad at all. Now you're like, that's not even a lot of money. That's only $100. I can get that in a day at my job. A lot of people can't, but let's just say, for your particular job, you can for this example. Okay, that's fair enough. Now let's go ahead and times that. Let's say we do this 10 times a week. That's $1,257 in profit. Numbers starting to sound pretty good, huh? Now let's say we take that and we do it four times. So we do that every single week. $5,000 a month. Just like that. That's $60K a year. And it really is just that simple. As you guys can see, the proof is right here. All you have to do is literally buy the products and send them in. There is nothing stopping you from doing this. It's extremely easy. This is one of the easiest ways and most safest ways to make money, because you're not going, for example, with CPA marketing. CPA marketing, you got to test, right? You go to Facebook ads, you're going to go spend, let's say, $1,000. You have no idea how much that if you're going to make any money at all. This right here, guaranteed. And you know how long it's going to take to sell. You know the profit margin. You know everything right out the gate. Now there are some, problems that could arise, right? Let's say like everybody had access to these right here. Now if I was planning on buying these, I would just buy up every single one and become a monopoly, right? Just kind of basically just so no one else could come in. I would message them to see how many they had, and I would just buy up all their inventory. So again, nobody can come through or whatever, right? And basically come in after me, then try to do the same thing. So the problems that could come in this here is, let's say we buy up these products and then, you get into a bidding war with, some type of fake business owner, right? I call him a fake business owner, right? Legit, he's a fake business owner. So he's going to get into a bidding war with you, and he's going to be like, okay, I'm willing to, you're like, okay, I'll drop mine to $12.50. And then this dude comes in where I'll drop mine, to $11. Right, and then you're like, okay, well, I'll drop mine to $9.99. Right, then he's like, oh, okay, I'll drop mine to $7.50. Right, then you just literally racing to the bottom. Like at this point, after your fees and everything, you're probably not even breaking even, if not losing money on this right here. So that's one thing. You never get into a bidding war with someone who's willing to lose money. That's just stupid, right? Let them sell out all their stuff, and then you just take your profit, all right? That's just how it goes. Now, another thing you got to look at, depending on which platform you're selling on, well, I guess all the platforms anyway, but you want to check and see how many times this product is selling per month. Because let's say we can get each game for a quarter, right? You go, oh, that'd be sweet. We don't have to spend a few dollars, and we get a lot of money back. But let's say the game only sold one time a month. Then it wouldn't even be worth it, because you're spending, true, you're not spending any money, but at the same time it's going to take you, let's say, for 30 games, that's what, basically 2 or 3 years. And that's if it keeps selling every single month. And that's if that, there aren't other sellers on there that's taking up the sale for that month. So there might be months where you don't even get a sale with that. So that's just an extreme example, but you guys get the point. That's just some stuff you need to pay attention to. All right. Then again, we're going to come down, do the same thing. So let's say we had bought that, right? That would be $100 something right there that we just made, literally just buying that. All right. Then we come down here again. This one I actually can't sell because I'm not ungated in the video game category on Amazon. But for this one, I think it's actually selling for more. And that's another thing, guys, too, for at least my Amazon people. If you are selling one particular game on one console, and then the next, then you just, I can't sell it, and then you just skip all the other ones. Don't do that, because you might not be able to sell it for Xbox. You might not be able to sell it for for PS4. Damn, that'll make no sense. That siren threw me off. But you might not be able to sell it for either one of those, but you might be able to sell it for Nintendo or vice versa. You guys get the point here. So this one is selling for $14.98, so it's actually selling for higher than the other one. All right, so after our Amazon fees and such is $8.43. So let's go ahead and it's going to be $2.53 again. So for this one, we are going to get back $5.90 per game. Yep, $4.90 per game. And then we're going to times that by 30. Boom, 177 bucks right there. So let's say we bought this one and we bought the other one, right? And I think the other one was 127, something like that. Now we're up to $304, and we're just in the video, just doing this right now, and we can go buy these right now, just like that. All right. Now I wouldn't recommend buying either one of these guys. To say that right now, like, because there are other people watching these videos and they have over 10 lots of these. Like, I would not buy either one of those just because I'm making this video. Like, if I was gonna buy those, I ain't going front. I wouldn't even like put them in the video. But you guys get the point, all right? Then we go down again and we just start scanning. All right, so this one is no. I gotta go back up to the top there. We need to go to, you can sell in any condition you want. I personally only sell brand new. All right, so let's check this one out right here. So it looks like we got a few different games here. The crazy thing is you can actually take a lot of the games that you'll see at you know, Target and all that stuff. See, so many people be like in it for instant sales. Like, you can buy games for like 3 cents, you know, a quarter, and all type of stuff from Walmart. And then a lot of people just try to instantly sell them though. Like this game right here, pretty sure I was selling for 3 cents at Walmart. And then, you know, Destiny, I bought like, I think it was like 50 copies for like 3 cents a piece. And, you know, these sim games right here, I think I bought those for like $2 a piece or $1 or something like that from Target. And you guys see the point here. You basically probably total, this dude probably spent maybe like 50 bucks, right? And that's on the high end. And look at where it's at right now. $355. And he still got 15 hours left. So you don't be, if you see him at the store and stuff like that, don't be the first one to sell. Don't drop your price just because you got it for 3 cents and stuff like that. Like, just wait them out. It might take a month, 2 months, 3 months, but, you know, I'd rather wait and get $30 in profit per game versus $2 in profit per game. So, yeah, just wait, guys. You know, it ain't like you need, if you need the money today, you should be having another stream of income or whatnot. But anyway, you guys get the point. So we just go again, and we're just going to go down and keep scanning. Let's check this out right here. All right. So again, open up our app here. And again, this is legit what I do on a daily basis. Like, but I have this app where it just tells me, like, I have a whole bunch of keywords and stuff and products that I want, so it just sends it directly to my phone. But you guys get the point. This is all you have to do. You come over here and you scan the product. Come on. Right, this one is selling for $1.13 after all fees, and there are other FBA sellers on this, so can't put the price up any higher. At least not if we want any sales. So where we at? $1.13, and we get. Okay, so we're at 75 divided by 50. That is $1.50 per game, and we would only be able to sell it for $1.13. So we would lose, you know, almost 40 cents on every single game. So yeah, nope, definitely not. You know, and you guys see how easy this is. We know right out the gate how long it's gonna take to sell it. We know how much profit we're gonna get. Everything is great. Like, we don't have to worry about anything. Again, let's go over here, do the same thing. Pull out the phone, scan. All right, this is going for $6.10. No FBA sellers, at least not on that listing. Okay. Yep, that looks like that's it. So there are no FBA sellers, so we'd actually be able to raise that up pretty high. We could probably put that up to like, probably damn near $20. But let's just say, for this example, let's just say we put up to $14.99. So how many are we getting? 36 brand new ones for $80. So 80 divided by 36. So we'd be paying $2.22 per game. So let's see what that would be. So that is $3.88 in profit. Take that, times that by 36, $139 in profit. So let's say we had bought this one, right? Then we bought the one that was 127, and then we bought the one that was, damn, I have no idea what the other one was. I don't know. Let's just throw another. I think it was like 180 or something like that. But anyway, look at that, $446, and that's it. Again, you guys see the whole process here. Just me sitting here doing this right in front of you, and you know our potential earnings was $446. And this doesn't have to be in a video game niche. You can do this in any niche. You can go and do this with phones. You can go do this with washer and dryers. You can literally do this with anything. It just depends on the platform that you are selling on. It's that simple. So you buy low and you sell high. You guys see how easy this is. The results speak for themselves. But that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section down below. But again, do not sleep on this method, guys. And also keep in mind that there are a lot of garbage sellers over here on eBay. So, you know, you might buy from them today and they literally might not ship it out for a whole week. So I don't recommend, trying to like drop ship with this. Again, I made a whole video talking about how to do just that with eBay. But I mean, you just got to find a really good seller on here. Like, there are some really good sellers on here. I'm not going to say they're all bad, but about a good 90% are just all trash. Legit, you might buy this from dude today and he literally might not ship it out for a whole week. Like, I don't know if they're waiting to get, maybe they're doing dropshipping. Who knows? Maybe they're just being lazy, but they get paid instantly, so there's no incentive for them to literally go out and just ship your shit out. Because if they go on Mercari, OfferUp, Amazon, they have to literally ship your shit out before you get paid. I mean, before they get paid. So anyway, again, I'm done now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.